So now, i-endorse natin yung Coke. Dapat babayaran tayo ng Coke nito. Chris, ang lasa?
Lasang Sprite.
Tastes like shit. Cecil, game, endorse mo.
Tuya!
Describe mo. Inom ka muna.
May pagkaalat.
Maasim.
Dapat English. Taga-receive ka eh.
Alright.
Oy, pakitaste great!
Alright. Hi Norway. Kumusta?
Ay, so Tagalog.
Dentist naging tagahugas. So parang Gio, kamusta naman yung meal natin?
Okay naman.
Yung chicken, ano lasa?
Chicken? Crispy.
Crispy, sarap.
Sarap. Panamnam. Parang Jollibee.
Parang Jollibee.
Oo.
Eh yung pasta.
Pasta? Nako.
Ano?
Pang ibang bansa.
Pang ibang bansa?
Oo.
Pang international ba?
Hindi, pang local. Hindi, joke.
Oh, ito si Chef.
Chef eh.
Grabe.
Masarap.
Yung salad bro.
Salad? Hindi ako masyadong sarap sa salad. Hindi naman ako
may salad person. No? Eh ano ba yung pinakamasarap na dish na hinanda sa inyo?
Mashed potato.
Wow! Sino kumain ng mashed potato? Sino ba?
Si Chris.
Punta na tayo sa computer shop, mini computer shop sa loob ng bahay ni Listen. Oh, kamusta? One on one?
Okay lang.
Pre, ano masabi sa dish natin kanina?
Sarap. Siyempre, lalo na pag may pasalubong galing Singapore.
Sige, umihirit ka ba?
Idol.
So hello guys, nandito tayo sa bahay ni Listen. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Lahat naman nagustuhan yung food so far. And ang pinaka-star ng dish yung ginawa ni Chef Chris Millares. Yung mashed potato. Thank you, Chris. Yes. May instant chicken nuggets na. Leftover, hindi pa naluto. So ito, pwedeng pambaon nila Lisel, lunch nila, snacks. And ito naman, yung pasta. Sobrang dami na ito kanina. So itong leftover na to, lagyan mo lang ng konting itlog, cheese, then i-oven. So napakasarap na.
We get drunk, so what we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees, so what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young and wild and free. So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class, just having fun. So up we get drunk, so up we smoke weed, we're just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So